Senator Nelson, my name is Sheila Mullen. I've been a Nebraska resident all my life. And in Nebraska, we believe in taking care of each other. And from what I have heard and talked to other people about health care, there are a lot of people who are not being helped. We need a large group, such as what we would get from a public health plan. So we need you to take care of us and vote for it so that everyone gets health care.
I'm here because most of my ministry, which is 54, well over 54 years now, I work with poor people, and I've seen over those years the inadequacy. People simply have to choose sometime between medicine and food, and medicine and rent, and not going to the doctor when they should go to the doctor. And somewhere along the line, we're the only halfway civilized country in the world that doesn't have public health services that take care of the poor.
I'm Steve Brock, and I support universal health care for all people. And it's really one of the ways where we can really look out for the common good, not only of rich people, but of poor people too. And it's a way that we can see how society really is accomplished by the way they take care of those who are more vulnerable than they are.
I'm here to support universal health care. I think it's past time that we had health care for all citizens in this country, and I want Senator Nelson, as the representative of the people, to go ahead and do what's best for the people, not for the insurance interests, not for the doctors if they've got a financial stake in keeping things the way they are, but for the people of this country that need basic and affordable health care.
I'm here because I want to encourage Senator Nelson to stop listening to the insurance companies in the state and to start listening to the people of the state and of the United States, because the majority of us favor universal health care. And if we can't quite make universal health care, then at least stop working against the public option.
Hi, I'm Frances Mendenhall, and I'm here outside of Senator Nelson's office to speak out for single-payer health care. It's the only way that we can keep our costs down and serve everybody. Everybody in, nobody out. But I also want to say thank you to Senator Nelson for voting against the funding for the F-22 yesterday. That was a good thing, a courageous thing. We need you to continue to be strong-hearted and courageous in the face of the fact that, I hope you get it, in spite of your insurance background, that insurance in the healthcare industry is the problem. Insurance companies make their money by not providing health care. It's as simple as that.
Hi, Senator Nelson. My name is Scott Winkler, and I'm from Omaha. I'm here today to urge you to support a public health care option as we go through the process of reforming our health care for this country. 47 million Americans do not have health care insurance. 25 million Americans are underinsured. Those costs continue to spiral at double-digit levels every year, and those costs are strangling our economy and cutting down wages. And I would urge you to support a public health care option when this goes forward in the Senate. Thank you.
We can no longer afford not to have a public option, if not a single-payer program. Our country is deep in debt. Those deficits and that indebtedness is going to increase because of the leeway Congress has given to the pharmaceutical companies and the insurance companies, and it's got to stop. We need to have some kind of responsibility here. Obama said, and I agree, that health care should be a right in this country. If it's a right, we can't make it a commercial commodity anymore. It's got to be a public right. We need a public option.
I have great health care, just as it is. However, I have a neighbor who does not have health care. Every day, she struggles. Senator Nelson, please help her by giving her some options. An option that says she does not have to go without food. For that, I would really, really appreciate. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kelly, and this is my family and friends, and we're here to let Ben Nelson know that he needs to vote on behalf of his constituents, not the corporations that have helped put him in office. I know this is an insurance town, but it's full of his constituents and his voters. He needs to vote on our behalf. Thank you.